Hey y'all, it is snowing. We just had a snowstorm last week and then the snow is back. Look at my poor pool. Brand new, haven't got to use it. Just waiting for the summer, the spring and the summer to use it. It's just sitting out there all lonely, all snowed in. The coverages went in because of the snow. But it looks so pretty. My poor pool. Can't wait to get in it. One thing about 2021, it's going to snow. It's going to snow. Listen how bad it's coming down. It's worse than that, but I didn't give y'all introduction, but I'm fresh out of the shower. As y'all seen me washing my face, I usually wash my face in the shower, but for the sake of the video, I just did it at the sink for y'all. But I wash my face in the shower, so I finished my face routine in the shower. Now we're about to do a face mask. This was a gift from my friend Neek, I believe. It was $1 wherever she got it from, but Mermaid face mask, and you apply it's citrus scented. You apply it like you apply the other one. So it's on a fresh cleansed face, and it says leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, and no need wait. Remove mask, discard, and massage face. Yeah, massage the remnants of the mask on your face, and no need to rinse. So of course I'm gonna show y'all putting it on, and then I'm going to be back because it's going to take 15 to 20 minutes. If I can open it. 15 to 20 minutes to leave it on. I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes. Y'all know last time I left it on for like 25 minutes, the one from Sephora. Or half an hour. Where my scissors at? But yeah. And every day, not every day, but I usually use a different toothpaste. I don't stick with the same face washes and things. So that was Dr. Pimple Popper SLMD Skincare. That was her face wash. Ooh, it is saturated. Ooh, look how it looks. It's pretty. Mermaid. And what else? Yeah, my toothpaste is different, and I don't use that face brush all the time, like I told y'all before. For the sake of the video, I just did a little something with it, but I don't use it all the time. And make sure your hands is clean before you ever and whenever you wash your face with your hands. Make sure your hands is clean. I wash my hands first. We touch a lot of stuff with our hands, so you want to make sure your hands is clean. Okay, if I can get this mask on properly. Ooh, and I still have lotion on my hands from lotion in my body. All right. Ooh, it's cold, of course, like the other one. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So let me know. Well, y'all did let me know last time that y'all do like videos like this. I'm gonna start doing videos like this. And what I eat in a day. Because, you know, during this pandemic, we're not doing much, so we have to improvise. I'm trying to do like a face mask every week. But I'll be forgetting. Every time I do one, I'm gonna try to get on camera. I have to order some more. Like leather face or something. Or lizard face. Whatever it's called. Alligator face. So y'all, I will be back in 20 to 25 minutes. But I had to wash my hands. This is how it looks. Y'all, this one itch. So I just kept it on for 10 minutes. It started itching too much. I don't know if it's too old. I don't know if these kind of masks expire, but she gave me this a while ago. So I don't know. But I had another one that I had for a while, and that one was fine. This was itching. Yeah, I had to keep on petting it because it was itching so bad. Like all around here. And I was scared that it was going to break my face out. So I just stopped. It did say it had citrus. So I don't know if that had anything to do with it. I don't know. But I'm going to put some cocoa butter on my face. I like my face a little drier than this. I'm going to put some on my hands first though. But I like my face dry when I do this, but I guess it'll all go around. It did give me a glow. Ooh, let me get that off my hair. What y'all think? Or do my face look the same? Still haven't gotten rid of this mark right here. And this one right here on right here. Every month, when it's that time of the month, they come in the same spot. Right around here, right here, ever since I was 12. It feels so good. You want to make sure your face is moisturized. And I have cocoa butter lip balm on. Now, let's make something to eat. Am I going to take y'all with me? Y'all want to come with me? Whew. Okay, so where should I make up my bed first? I need to make up my bed. Let's make up the bed. Y'all, sorry for this angle. So I'm making a bacon and sunny side up egg sandwich for me and my mom. So first thing I'm going to do, and I'm putting the bacon in the air fryer. It'll be so crispy and good. Chandelier in the way. Y'all, what do I say all the time? I'm not a vlogger. I'm not a vlogger. I'm a hauler. Alright. So, air fryer. Put it in there. And I have it lined with aluminum foil for easy cleanup. Should have sprayed the pan too, but I should be fine. It's easier to clean up when the pan is sprayed as well. Six pieces should be enough. Well, it's not. It's 6 because I sliced it, so it can fit well on the sandwich. Okay, so I'm gonna get my. I can't believe it's not butter, and or I'll probably just spray the pan. I can just spray the pan and get my eggs. Eggs. These are brown cage-free eggs. Love to hear that sizzle. Comment if y'all like sunny side up eggs. I know a lot of people don't like sunny side up eggs, like they don't like mushrooms. I guess I'm just weird, huh? Black pepper. That's all I put on my eggs. And cheese when they're scrambled. Sometimes I put cheese when they're sunny side up. Lots of pepper. Lots of pepper, honey. I'm gonna let these go. Take out the bacon. Okay, y'all. Now I'm about to plate it. This is my mom's. She don't like paper plates. My mom is bougie. I don't mind them, but I mean, it look more presentable for pictures when you use real plate. But look, it is what it is. Okay, y'all. I'm just gonna cut mine because she only have one. Look at that. Food porn. Oh, y'all see it? I like to cut it like this. People say it's ghetto to cut it like this, but depending on what I eat, I like my sandwiches cut like this. If it's the grilled cheese, I'll do it the triangular way. But for the most part, or a lunch meat sandwich. I don't even cut my lunch meat sandwiches, but if I did, it would be the triangular way. Okay. So that's it, y'all. That's basically my day. For quarantine, what we doing? This is all you gonna get. Cause I'm about to go watch some YouTube and chillax. So that's it. So if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see my get ready with me. And that's it, I guess. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys. Ciao. Buy my fashion dolls.